about renting your water heater, you're not alone. Renting sounds simple, but is it really the best choice? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide if owning your water heater might be a smarter move. Renting does have some perks worth considering. Low upfront costs. It's easy on your wallet at the start. Maintenance included. No surprise repair bills to worry about. Replacement covered. If it breaks, they take care of it. But before you jump in, it's important to also weigh the downsides. Here's where renting can get tricky. Higher long-term costs. Those monthly fees really add up, often costing way more than buying outright. Contract hassles. Breaking or transferring a rental agreement isn't always straightforward. No ownership. Essentially, you're paying to borrow, not own. In fact, many renters end up spending thousands more over the life of their rental than if they just purchased the water heater. Why owning makes more sense. Here's how. Save money long term. A one-time purchase means no ongoing monthly fees. Full control. You get to pick the exact model that fits your needs and budget. Adds home value. An owned water heater is a valuable asset when selling your home. So if you do decide to own, what should you look for? Consider these key factors. Type. Do you want a tank or tankless model? Tankless saves energy but costs more upfront. Size. Make sure it's big enough for your household's hot water demands. Efficiency. Energy-efficient models can save you money on bills over time. If you're ready to make the switch from renting to owning, we're here to help every step of the way. From selecting the perfect unit to professional installation, Affordable Comfort has you covered. Call or book online with Affordable Comfort. Home comfort made easy.